Hello, my name is Shankar Datta. Today I am going to explain the problem and the solution of Kickstart from Google Kickstart Round G 2020. The problem statement is like Kesnia starts her day by reading her favorite book. She believes it will be lucky for her if the fragment series start with the string kick, then goes on 0 or more characters and eventually ends with the string start. And two fragments are considered to be different if they start or end at different position in the text. And the different lucky fragments also may overlap. I have to find out how many lucky fragments are there. In the example 1, from this kick, this start is a lucky fragment. From this kick, this start is a lucky fragment. There are some characters in between this kick and start, but as the question it will be considered. And this is the number 3 lucky fragment. Total 3. But this kick and this start cannot be considered as the position of start is before the kick. In the example 2, the same, the start is present before the kick, so it will not be considered. It will be 0, the number of fragments. In example 3, this is a lucky fragment. This is the number 3 and number 4 and number 5. Total 5. Now, how to do the code? I am taking the example 3 here and the index of each character is present in the next line. And I am taking two array A and B to store the index of the kick and to store the index of start. So the array A will be 0 because the kick is started from here, then 5 and the kick start from here, and 16. And the array B will be 10 and 21. Now see, when it will be a lucky fragment, if the element in array A will be less than the element of array B. So if I can make a statement, if statement, if the element in array A will be less than the index of J, B, array B, then I can count it as a lucky fragment. Okay, because for this kick, this both start will make a lucky fragment, but for this kick only this will be make a lucky fragment, not this 16 and 10. So this if state will tell me how many lucky fragments are there. Now see the input condition. The first line will have a T as test case and the second line will have a S as the string and it will be a English letter, uppercase English letter, and the output will be like this: the case number and the number of lucky fragment, these 3, 0 or 5, and the limits of T and S. The T will be enough for a integer. Now here I am doing the code. Into the main method I am taking the scanner plus then I am taking an integer T as test case and I am taking the value from scanner. Then I am making a for loop to continue the test cases from 0 to T. Then I am taking a string S and taking the value of the string from user. Now I am taking to add a string S1. Initially it will be kick and string S2. Initially it will be start. Then I am making two array A and B. Already I have said the reason. and the length of this array A, I don't know initially that how much kick is there, so I'm just taking it as the string length. And array B again will be the string length. Okay, now I am taking a index, it will be initially 0, and to another integer k and l, both of them initially 0. Now I am taking a while loop where I will check that where the kick is present, in which position. When this will be s dot index, s is the integer string index of s1, when the s1 will be find kick, and the index will be changed every time, because after finding an kick it will change to the next, it will try to find the next kick again, and until it will be -1 it will continue, and whenever it will find kick, it will store in between the array A the value of index, the k is initially 0, so it will be index will be continue. Then I will do the same thing for the start also. So I am just copy and paste here. In this case it will be s2 because it will be start, and it will be l and the array will be b. Now it is simple that I will taking another count integer, it is initially 0, and I just check for this condition. Okay, now see, the array A has 3 in this case, but I have taken the array A length is this length, this string length. So after these 3 or these 2 in case of B, rest of them will be a garbage value or 0. So I am taking to another integer count 2 initially 0 and count 3 initially 0. It will count how much kick is there and how much start is there. So now the for loop will continue from I equal to 0 to I less than the count 2, and for integer b j we start from 0 to j less than count 3, and if ai will be less than bj, it will be counted as a lucky fragment. Now I am here making the output condition in the way they have said case, and see the case number will be started from 1, but here it is started from 0. So I just add 1 here, then the count value. Okay, now I am checking the output, is it correct or not. There will be 3 test case. I am taking, just copy the first one from here and paste here. It is 3, you can see this is correct. Then the second one, this is 0, correct. And then the third one, this is 3. Okay, so my answer is correct. You can see my answer here is accepted. So thank you for watching my video.